What is up guys, today we will talk about how you guys can get the Ethereum wallet address on crypto.com. Well, the process for that is pretty simple. Just open up your crypto.com. If you haven't joined crypto.com, you can join it using the link in the description, or if you already have, you can try going through the link in the description and you might get some benefits as well. However, what you have to do is here you just have to enter the passcode and you will be in the crypto.com app. Now here the process is pretty simple. Just tap on these accounts. After tapping on these accounts, you will see these options here. Tap on crypto wallet. Tapping on crypto wallet will bring up these things. Here what you have to do is you just have to find Ethereum and tap on Ethereum. Tapping on Ethereum will bring you this. Here tap on transfer. After tapping on transfer, tap on deposit, and then you just have to select the network according to you. Now let me just do that once again. Select the network, let it just load, and there you go. It will give your wallet address. So select the network you want to use and you will be able to get it done. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to get your address and use it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.